Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to scan QR code very easily. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Firstly, open the Play Store and click on search bar. So after click on search bar, here you can see search options. So after this you can see QR code scanner. So click on QR code scanner. So after this you can see this application. So click on it and install this application. You can see I have already installed this application. That's why I will click on open options. So after click on open options, here you can see three lines on the top left corner. So after this click on scan image. So after click on scan image, you can see gallery option. So click on gallery. So here select any QR code which you want to scan. So after selecting, you can see it will show. So in this way you can scan QR code very easily. If this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.